Hello everyone, welcome you all in this video. This is the NTPC live test of RRB on Olibot platform. So let's start this test, and this is the last test of 2024. So let's attempt this test and see what will be our score in this test. Yeah, this is the reasoning section. Mirror is here, then Q O, okay, 2, okay, M R is not like no, this is not, these are okay. 9 or E yani 4. Okay, a polygon has 44 diagonal. How many sides? 44 diagonals. So diagonals, is this formula based? 44 diagonals, number of diagonals 44 is equal to n minus 1 upon 2, something like this formula. And 180 or 2, I think 2, but there will be n, so n minus 1 minus 2n, 8 8 3 n minus 1 and minus n, so here will plus 89. No, this is wrong formula, that's why. N number of spherical ball, diameter have 5 and are dropped into cylindrical container containing some water, are full submerged. If the diameter of container is 50 centimeter, 15 centimeters, the level of water rises by 20. N is the 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is r cube, okay. And height of the water 20, cylinder pi r square of cylinder, okay, r square pi r square, h is 20, so pi, okay, 5 4 and 5 5 3 3 4 4 2 2, okay, so there is 3 and there is 2, so 3 2s are 6 and 9, 54 will be our option. Midnight's Children novel based Independence India is authored by Midnight's Children, Salman Rushdie, Vikram Seth, Rohinton Mystery, and Amitav Ghosh. Midnight's Children. Which device is used to detect faults in an electrical circuit by breaking the circuit? Circuit breaker, rectifier, transistor, inductor. Ratio of lowest, which of the following ratio is the lowest? सबसे कम, lowest ratio 3 5 or 2 3 1 2, this is the highest. And this is 1 3 1 or 2 1, so 1 by 2 half, 2 by 3 50%, this is 50%, this is 33%. And lowest 3 4 by 7 4 by 7 3 2 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. Okay, we have to 1 by 2 50% and 4 by 7 57. 2 by 3 66% and 3 5 3 by 5 60%. 60 50. This, let's see whether this will correct or not. Which cricket team became to win Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy December 2024? X, Y. What is the value of this? 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 2 root 2 9 1 हो जाएगा ये. x इज इक्वल टू, ओके, तो -1 और 3 2 प्लस 2 रूट 2. ओके, दिस इज 1 प्लस y इज 3, ठीक है, 2 प्लस, सो हेयर विल बी माइनस. अच्छा, 2 नहीं, 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so -1 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay, this is plus 2 minus 2 root 2. 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2. Cancel 4 by 4. So there will be 4. If select letter odd, x t p 16 plus 4 plus 1 1 PDF portable document format, DRDO successfully conducted 3 flight test of 4th generation technical advanced miniatured Vashorats at the Pokhran field firing range. A is stand for air atomic amplifier aerodynamic. Or aerodynamic. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 24, US based Polnar's Physiology, Ambrose. How many prime number are there between x and smallest 3-digit number, where x is smallest 2-digit number that starts with 9? Smallest 2-digit number starts with the 9. Smallest 2-digit number that start with 9 and prime number are between x and smallest 3-digit number, where x 3 smallest, so smallest 100 and x is smallest two digit number that starts with 9. Prime number, prime, odd, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, only one. There is only one. There is only one. Infinite, plus and minus, sigma, multiply, ohm, ohm, this. Okay. और ये 2 1 6 minus plus 4 is equal to 2 sigma multiply p and minus 2p 2p plus 16 8. Third proportion to 12 is t. अच्छा, main proportion, and this is third proportion. T 12 by 48, 48 by t. Not this will be third proportion. This is main proportion. This will be mean, and this will be third, but 12 48 48 t4 and okay 192 और यहाँ पर 9 6 8. So this is it. When 238 is divided by 5, remainder or 8 9 6 7 8 2 2 2 4 4. Which dynasty was responsible for the construction of famous Gol Gumbaj in Bijapur, Karnataka? Chalukya, Bahmani, Adil Shahi, Rashtrakuts. Gol Gumbaj. Okay. So, okay, point. So here will be this incorrect, and there will not any line. Incorrect. One will be suited here. One will suit here. Area of circle 54 less than area of rectangle of length 45. Area of circle pi r square. Area of a circle is less, yani 54 is less than area of rectangle length is 45. 45b. So can we write it 45b minus 227? Okay, r square is equal to 54. Yes, we can write this. If perimeter of a rectangle, diameter of circle 2 L plus B is equal to 154 or 7 L plus B. Okay, so this is 45 L, and 45, when we subtract 45 from 77 to 3, this will be 32, and 7 mm, mm, mm. Okay, so 7 45 32. So 5 2 is a 10, 1 4 2 is a 8, 3 are 15, 8 5 13 14, 2 4 2 or 1 4. Okay, so minus 5 4, mm, 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 or equal to 22 by 7 r square. 6 3 8 and 3 1 is equal to 2 2 7 1 1 6 9 3 and 6 3. Okay, so 7 9 7.3, r is 21, diameter 22 42. So we can drag it upward. All C sum or sum T, sum C T, sum C T, possible but not definite. No CT, no CT. Yes, it is not clearly mentioned, that's why we will correct second conclusion. So this is the what is the maximum percentage difference in the number of students in any maximum difference. So say there are 5% difference, there are 6 and 6 12 13%, and here 2%, and here 4 5 5%, and here only 1%. Maximum percentage difference is between 27 and 47. So here will be 27, so 3 5, and here will be 182, so difference will be 9 4 14 6 1, maximum difference 182. Okay, so can we cancel it 0 point but 9, so 9 16, फिर 0 2 8 5 0 2, so 2 2 2 2 ja, so here will be 6 and 11 11 5 1 0, then 5 or 8 9 10, it will be the D option. The average height of 20 boys 160 centimeter, average height of 12 boys 12 boys out of 20, find average height of remaining 8. 20 boys 0 0 3, 20 boys, average height of 12 boys out of 20 12. 190 12 or 2 9 3 11 2. Okay, 1, remaining 8. 5 154. So उसके next, which are the following traditional folk dance of Maharashtra? Lavani. Let's repeat: Bharatnatyam for Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Bharatnatyam. Oh, Hollywood, please pay attention here. The options are same. Divide. So we will focus here to multiply 35 plus 90 70, ठीक है, plus 20, it is correct. So A, B, 6, 8 after 4 months C joined with 5, profit of C and okay, so C 8 or 9 6, let's 2 4 1 0 6 1 2 5 2 3 7 8 0 0 0 or 5. I think I'm making here some mistake. 1 2 2 4. Yes, I'm making a mistake. Okay, 7 2 3 6 or 1 8. Okay, so this will be incorrect here. And 3 5. Oh, it is not. I'm still making some mistake. Let's solve it again. 6, let's from the starting I solve it, like 6 multiply 12, 8 multiply 12, and 8 5 multiply 8, 40, 96. After then we have to cancel it. Okay, I got it. What is the mistake? 2 and 4 1, then 6, okay, 9 1 2 5. Yes, 9 5 14 17, 9 17 6 6 and 2. Okay, yeah, 3 5 3 15. Yes, I was doing cutting. I was doing mistake in cutting. That's why. Which chemical is used to manufacture soap and detergent? Soap, ammonium, sodium chloride, hydroxide, potassium nitrate. Sodium, potassium chloride, hydroxide, potassium nitrate. I think so. Which of the following is a left bank tributary? Right bank, left bank, Songandak. Yes. Which, what is the process of breaking down a compound into simpler substance using heat? Heat. Thermolysis, photo, no. Electro, na. Using heat, combustion, simpler substance. mirror for a like same one differs from these in that manner. Select odd figure. So five figures four are alike in the okay. Okay, so four are four alike one. Okay, so there are two triangle. There is one, I think. What is the, I should recall, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1 2 6 7 8 8 4 5 6 7 8 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 11. No, it's not possible for me to. Okay, which disease is transmitted through the bite of infected ants? Two, dengue and chikungunya bite. Yes. After 7 years, sum of age PN will be after 7 years, sum of both. Neha 3 year elder than 3 year. Neha is a 3 year elder than P. Okay, 3 year elder. Find present age of Ne Pragya. So this is present age, and after 7, 14. Okay, so after 7 both will be, and after here 5 and 4. So 2p plus 3 42 or 2 1 2 1 is Pragya. Present is 2 1. 2 1 is the present age. 7 buses different color are parked in linear row from west to east. West to east. Green red buses are parked at the end of rows. 7. Okay, green and red. 2 5 5. Okay, so here can red and green. Only yellow red buses are parked to the east of blue yellow red. Okay, yellow and red, so this will be cancelled. Yellow and red east of blue. Blue, yellow and red. So we can yellow here and blue here. This is correct. And orange adjacent to blue. Orange, black parked third from one and black. Okay, one bus is parked between OP and what is position pink with respect to yellow. Yellow, say 1 2 3 4 4 4 to the west. Okay, so which scientist discovered the process of vaccination for smallpox? Smallpox. Louis Pasteur, Edward Jenner. I think Edward Jenner. Which of the following is a well-known type? Trojan horse. Trojan horse, well-known type. WannaCry, Jesus Blaster, Conficker. I think Blaster या फिर I don't know. I'm not confirmed. So this is perimeter of a sector of a circle is 33, radius 5, area So here is also not showing any. I think this is also formula based, and I haven't learned the formula this time. Which crop requires a dry and hot climate? And dry and hot climate with low rainfall for its a cultivation. Sugarcane, cotton, coffee, tea. I think coffee, sugarcane, cotton, coffee. I think so, but let's see. And arrange the following increasing order. Dictionary 1 2 3. Dictionary pen, pe pen, where cd 1 1 4 2 4 2 pe pe yani 2 2 will become here. Increasing order in a dictionary. Okay, I have skipped two question simultaneously. Which mountain range is known for its iconic peak like Mount Blanc and Matterhorn? Alpes, Andes, Rockies. uh, Iconic, पता नहीं, I don't know. Enter 14 minus 1, and let's how will n 13. O is there is not any I is 18, so I is 18. Okay, S is I haven't seen yet. Yes, so here we need to, these both are incorrect. And enter S 18 18 8 9 5 6 7 20 22. 18 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4 5. No, what is happening? 13 12 18 8 9. 9 R9 R9 E22, every place E22. Oh ho, I got it. R8. Okay, this is opposite. Yes, this is opposite. Union Minister Sri Jyotiraditya M. Scindia launch which initiative promotes the culture economic heritage 8th Northeast State Prosperity Samiti Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav India Culture Conclave Northeast Craft Fair launch initiative in promoting culture and economic heritage prosperity culture India or not, we will not consider it Northeast Craft Fair. Only craft will be included here. Prosperity. So culture and economic will include in prosperity. So there is 2x cube minus 1 upon 7 x cube. Okay, this is correct. So let's 6 2 1 6 cube of this, and minus will be 3 2x 1 by 7 x 6 x. Okay, 36 by 7, and 15 minus 36 12 6 10 7, and 4 1 7 1. Oh, okay, so plus minus plus, so 8451. Okay, so this will be today is Thursday. After 81 days, after 81 day 1712217 4 Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Where is this Monday? Montague Chelmsford reform announced in which year? That's 99. Phillips curve illustrate the relationship inflation and employment, government spending. Okay. The force of friction depend on which factor? Force of a friction, mass, surface area, contact, nature of the surface is contact. Yes, nature. Question figure. Okay, square, square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, circle, rectangle. So small, okay, large, small, large, okay, large, okay, okay. C will be our option. To find, so this will be the shortcut key. Who among the following appointed by the government as new governor of RBI? RBI Sanjay Malhotra. If number is this and divisible by 3, cannot be the value of B. So let's sum all these number first of all. So 8 9 8 9 8 and 9 4 4 8 8 plus 1, this can be true. 4, this can be happen. 13, this cannot, this can happen. So it is easy, and this is statement and conclusion. So here is E greater F greater equal GH and GH greater than S. G greater S, G greater S. Yes. H greater equal F, H greater equal F. Yes. Both we will consider correct. G greater S, it's not directly but indirectly. Here S, H greater, because H and G are equal, that's why we correct both. So Pratibha begins walking southwards. After after a while she turned to her left. Okay, she was going southward. She turned right, right, and again sometimes she take left turn, left, left. After walking for a while she turned left again. ठीक है, left. In which direction she is moving now? She is left, left. She is moving in the east direction. 11 men working 5 hours a day can complete a work in 12 days. Okay, how many hours a day must 15 men? Okay, 11, 5 or 12, and there are 15 men complete 12 days, 5.5. So we can 11 x 12, okay, equal to 15, 5, 5.5. Okay, so here will be 4, 5.5, and So here will be 10. No, I'm doing some mistake. So 55. Okay, so 45, 6 to 5. No, this is also 137.54. Uh-huh. This is wrong. I have done something wrong in this. So 11. Mm, I'm doing some mistake here. So. Mm. So let's mark this question, and after some time I'll attempt this. Okay, so let's mark. P's daughter is P's daughter. Okay, P's daughter. Okay, daughter married to M's only daughter. M's only daughter named son. He will be son. L is the son of B and son-in-law of N. L son of B. Okay. N husband. N is the husband of E's only child. Oh. So P's daughter is married to M's only child, yani ki son. Okay. L is the only son of B and son-in-law of N. N is the husband of E's only child. E's only child. N is the husband of E's only child. So we need to an only child, and N is the husband. So he will be wife. E is the mother of P. E is the mother of P and only child. M mother-in-law of K. M mother-in-law of K. Mother-in-law of K. K related to E. K related to E. B L son daughter P. P mother of the wife and husband. PE mother. Okay, so L mother and B husband. L. Okay. K related to E. K related to E granddaughter. Okay, we got our answer. Following protocols is used for real-time communication on the internet, such as voice call, video conferencing. Protocol: HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, TCP, FTP, text transfer, TCP. No, I think SIP. SIP. Harry is sitting 11th from left. Okay, 16th from right end. Okay, find how many person are sitting right of Geeta if she is sitting fourth to the right of Harry. Fourth, first, second, third, fourth is Geeta. So 4, 11, 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, Harry, and 10. So how many persons sitting to the right of Geeta? Geeta left, right, 11. There are 11. Human Right Day. Observe annually. I think yes. Which of the following planet does not have any natural satellite? Natural. Venus, Mars, Venus. Yes. Statement: should young entrepreneurs be encouraged? Yes, they will help in industrial development of the country. Yes, they will reduce burden on employment market. Reduce the burden on an employment market. They will reduce employment market. That's why our government also encourages young entrepreneurs. So yes, they will help in industrial development of the country. Both are strong if we consider government's effort. So there will be no it. Okay, so okay, but here this is wrong, this is wrong, and this is also wrong, this is wrong. Fourth is our answer. So table shows number of cars manufactured in different years. What is the ratio of cars manufactured in 2020 22 together? Number of 22 20, number of cars 20 and 22. So 20 and 22, 0035, number 18 19, 18 19. So 53 and 33. Aeroplane, hangar, bus station, car showroom, water ship, rail yard, car showroom. I think not, rail yard, showroom. Showroom, rail yard, no, showroom. It seems very similar. Graph. What is the ratio of number short of grey green color shown on Saturday? Grey green on Saturday. This is Saturday, and grey and green. 33671 71, and number of shirt blue and black same day. Okay, Saturday blue 40, same day 40, and blue black 437676. So let's find out. 7176. Which article deal with DPSP 36 to 51? A vessel has 75 liter of milk, 38 liter of water. Okay, liter milk, 38 water. When some quantity of water added to the mixture, ratio will be this. Okay, so 1, and here is 15 7, and 6 3. So we can 75 38 plus p is equal to 5 by 4, and 1 5 60 10 2 5 5 3 2. Okay, so this will be our option. Product of two number is SCF is 12. LCM of both product of two numbers. Okay, SCF is 12. So for 32. So um, that code of that we have to find out. No more food, no more food more than. So more takada ka is more, and there is not any code for similar code for than. That is taka ka. Okay, so ka eliminated. Sapa. So from this. Okay, so value of this 8 by 10 0. Okay, 0. Okay, plus 60 और इसको 3 1 6 40 40 and 20 20 20 10 10 6 और okay 1k will be, and logical order C twins A E B E A E B A E B queen quad 4 3 twin E. So B A E E E 3 quad 4 queen 5 queen 2 tuplet. So 3 6 cancel, or A then B. So let's cancel this, and rotation is not allowed, and this will be okay. This is not correct, this is okay. So this will okay from here. This is okay, but here is not present. So here it's okay, and after that it's not straight. So 3 will be our option. First OS for a personal computer: MS, DOS, Unix, Linux. All these are OS, but first OS for a personal computer: Unix. I think Unix. Linux are also OS, but with which country's federal department, known as the Department of Environment, Transport and Communication, did Indian Railways sign the MOU to enhance technical collaboration in October 2024? This is current affair. Which host nation for upcoming men's football World Cup 34? Host nation 34. Saudi Arabia, Portugal, Spain, France. What is the scientist credited with the discovery of the structure of DNA, which revolutionized our understanding of genetics and heredity? Charles Darwin. Which of the following Vedas is divided into 10 books called mandals? Rig Veda. Number of triangle 3 3 6 7 8, okay, 9 10 10 and 11 11 12 12 4 12 13. So 13, uh, oh, there are a lot. So there are 3 3 6 6 7 8, okay, 9 10 9 10 and 11 11, okay, so 12, okay, 13 13, okay, so this is 14 14 14 or 15 from here to here, 15 3 3 6 7 8 9 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 and I'm not able to 14. Oh, this is minimum 14 and 14, no 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 14 14, 14, okay, this will be 14 15, okay, 15 15 and 15 15 15 no, 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 no. 15, there are only I got 15, so I will mark 16. I think this will be incorrect, but let's see. What does the point to divided line, okay, dividing line mn mn, so x1 y1 x2 y2 and mn, so m1, this is x1 y1, so this is x1 y1 x2 y2, so this is the basic formula of y is equal to x1 m2, sorry, here will be x1 y2 plus x2 y1 m1 plus m2, this will be I think formula. So x, so x will be x1 y2 x1 y2 x2 y1 and 8 y y, so x1 y2 x1 x1 y2 y2 7 8 77 8 and plus 5 8 or minus 1 8 and 8 cancel, minus 16 161. Something there is, I done some mistake in this formula, that's why it is wrong. N 14 16 17 plus 2 L. L will be okay. S L T L. Okay, so T L T L. Okay, so second and first, second and first, second first, second first, second first. So T L T T after double T, last and second same, last second no same, last second same, last second no same. So same same means T. Okay, so TST, there will be T third will be T. No, there is also L and there is S, so it may be not possible. Okay, so this will, there will not T, there will be not T. ST. Okay, so SLT SLT SL SLT L SLT, again L and T, L T 1 2 1 2 LT, both are okay. L LT, both are okay. Okay, so STS STS LT L and T 3 4 LT LT. Okay, LT not okay, so this will be, let's see what will be happen. And this is 3 and here is 5 7 and here is 7 3 again 5, so 3 5 7 3 5 7 2 4. So this is very easy for everyone. When how many bags are there are green and black but not white. Green black, this is green, this is black but not white. This is green and black, not white, so 20 I can see here, 20 here, 20 and that's all. I can see only 20. So which type of RNA carries mRNA information from DNA to ribosomes? mRNA, rRNA, ribosomes, or protein synthesis. T transfer, R, ribo. Suri Babu bought a number of pins at 4 for a rupee. Acha, Suri Babu, CP. So 1 rupee 4, an equal number at 6 for 1 rupee. A rupee. At which price per dozen should he sell them to make a profit? 1 by 10 11. Each dozen contain equal number of both variety. One, it's very minute. Sin x root 3 cos x 290 x 2 cos 10x cot x sin x minus root 3 cos 2 minus root 3 Sine by cos 10 is equal to 2 minus root 3. So 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 3. 2 to the 4. Okay. Minus 3. 2 to the 4 minus 3 plus 1 and 2 plus root 3 minus 4 minus 1 1 2. 2 plus root 3 4 3 1 4 2 4 cancel and 4 क्या कर दिया 4 नहीं यहाँ पर 2 ही आना चाहिए था ना 2 to 4 हो जाएगा फिर ये माइनस प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस अरे यार 1 मिनट no need to let's again solve with this 1 by 2 minus root 3 so this will be let's change root 3 and plus 2 plus root 3 okay यहाँ पर there will be minus instead of plus so 4 there will be 4 AB borrow equal sum for 3 years at rate 10 SI and CI. Annually, at the time of payment, B had to pay 620 more than N. Find principal. Okay, 1 by 10. For how much? 3 years. Okay. So let's we consume here 20. No, we can't consume 20 here. So I will consume. I will assume here 20, 100, 110. Okay, 100 and A more BCI. So BCI. So this is 100, 10, 3, 30. Okay, CI. This is SI and CI. 1 by 10 यानी 10 10 3 is equal to 30 1 by 10 1 3 3 and 1 0.1 0.1 33.1 so difference 3.1 3 sorry 6 to 0 and 2 this will cancel 2 2 so this will be a person started walking covers 52 hours okay 25 per hour takes after that he takes a bike and cover x kilometer in 3 x kilometer in 3 if the average speed of person throughout the year throughout the journey 31 is the average 225 and here x kilometer okay so x kilometer divided by 3 this is kilometer per hour his speed so I have taken this after that 25 plus x plus 3 then 75 plus x by 3 of this and 25 31 is equal to 25 x by 3 okay so we can also write it like this 50x upon 3 3 upon 75 plus x cancel and after that okay 75 31 5 7 5 2 2 and 5 2 3 2 so 2 3 2 5 plus 3 1 x is equal to 5 0 x so 19x so can we cancel it 19 4 2 4 to uh, uh, there is some mistake which I have done while solving this question. So 110, 15, I will assume my answer here 110. Let's just see what will happen. What will be the answer of it? Okay, so this is GK. Chang's 6 lunar probe Chang 6 lunar probe became the first mission to bring back samples from the moon's far side. Chang 6 was launched. I think this is the China BSF operate. I think BSF under it's not think it is uh, confirmed. Round table conference held in London were initiated by British PM Churchill. Churchill, Leon George Chamberlain, yeah, Churchill. When Churchill, David Lloyd George, Stanley Baldwin, Neville Chamberlain. So Winston Churchill, London Roundtable Conference, Irving Pact. I'm not aware about this question, so I will clear this. Okay. Among the following individuals were appointed as the chairman of the expert committee formed by Department of Consumer Affairs. Expert committee, Department of Consumer, Piyush Goyal, Bharat Khera, Amitabh Kant, Piyush Goyal. Root of the equation. Okay, so x cube minus 11x plus 28 is equal to, okay, so 21427 7 minus 4. Okay, so x minus 7 minus 4, x minus 7, so 4 and 7 are AB. Oh, AC, AC, BC are AB, AB, and BC. Well, roots of this equation. So y square minus 10y plus 2 1, okay, is equal to 0. This is the equation. 3 7 7 minus 3, so y minus 7 minus 3 y minus 7, y is equal to 7 and 3. So 7 is the B and C. So A plus C, C is 3 7. In question mark there will, what will come here, 5 2 या फिर 12 minus 2 or 12 minus 3, 5 5 4 and minus or 4 9 9 3 3 3 6 no 6 9 5 4 minus 1 or difference is 5 and 1 30 minus 129 it may be, but no. Which microorganism is used in the production of bread alcoholic beverage? Yeast. state has maximum number of Ramsar site in India? Ramsar site in India. In India, Assam, Kerala, UP, Tamil Nadu. Ramsar sites. I think it's Tamil Nadu. Okay. What is the code for percentage dollar at and hash play PLA A A, so A will be hash A and Y and Y hash dollar Y hash and and is also possible both P, so P weather dollar both PL, okay na, so PL from here W percentage W and LP and AY. So can we answer accurate? We cannot. The both one two are not sufficient to give our answer. Which initiative service launched by Uber in Bengaluru, Karnataka, named specifically to address women's mobility safety needs? Uber, She Commute, Moto, Women's Ride Alliance, Uber Safe Biker. I think She Commute. I think, voila. I don't think that I should mark this. Okay. Unit 8 5 plus 36 1 6 plus 1 3 and 3 0 0 will be our answer. And monthly income of Rajni 75, rent 25, food 20, miscellaneous received remaining. Find difference between, okay, 75k 3 and 20 and 0. okay, पहले तो 3750. okay, 2 cancel, फिर 0 2 2 and 0 0 5. okay, 0 9 0. okay, 5 9 7 4 1 3 4 1 3 or 7 6 1. This is on 50% on the rent, 1 5 on food. So 1 5 1 1 2 7 5. After this is food, on food 0 0 0 1 5 and 1 4 miscellaneous. So 1 4 1 1 2 or 7 5 0. After that 0 5 2 10 8 4 3. okay, saving, difference between saving and rent. Saving and rent 3 8 250 0 0 0 7 2 000. No, no, no. Saving. What is happening? 0572 10 10 to 8 10 10 413. Okay, so I have made mistake somewhere. I need to find out where I have done mistake. 3 by 00 or 3750. Okay. 05. ठीक है, फिर कैंसिल करेंगे तो 059724133716 127 000 ये क्या है? अभी करते हैं दोबारा इसको. बैट्स, स्क्रीच, बियर्स, बज, बी, हिश, हूट, क्रॉल, क्रॉल, हूटिंग, हूट, हूटिंग, लेट्स, आहा, भन बनाना, गड़गड़ाना, फुफकार, उल्लू की बोली, चीख, फुफकार, गड़गड़ाना, भन भनाना, फुफकार, ग्रोल. Not a tool of fiscal policy, open market operation, taxation, public borrowing, government spending, public borrowing, taxation, open market operation. I think this will not fiscal. Which effective discount given when a store offers a scheme 3 product free on buying 7 product. 7 प्रोडक्ट हमने बाय किया लेकिन 3 इज़ 30% डिस्काउंट. So 75 से 3 by 20. So 3 0. फिर करेंगे 0. 11 को अगर हमने माइनस किया तो क्या आया? 11250. ठीक है, 0, ठीक है, 10 और यहाँ पर 9276 1351275000315. यहाँ पर 141 0 0 5 9 9 2 10 10 to 8 10 और 4 3 381150. Difference between S and R. R 15%. 0 0 7 2 277 is coming here, but there are not any other things, so I'm definitely making any mistake, some mistake, but let's attempt this and let's see what will be the option. And 7 5 14 by 2. अच्छा 2 8. No, this will be not correct. mm, so what can I think? 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, or 10 to 21, और 2 करेंगे तो 5 55 आना चाहिए, but this will also not correct here. This will not. So what can be? 25 minus 4, is it possible? 81 9, but it is not possible. And 7, it is not possible. So if we cancel it, then it can possible. Okay, 49 245 2 25 25. No, we can't mark this option. So what can I do with this question? I can, okay, this is okay, I have forget this. Phillips curve, mountain, well-known Trojan horse, blaster Josh, वरना क्राई तो नहीं करेगा, हॉर्स है, ब्लास्टर cry. Perimeter is given here, and this require formula. And odd 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 5, 4 is correct. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6. 2 1 1 2, there are 3. So in mid, in mid, in mid, so we can mark here 2. Gol Gumbaj, polygon, midnight children, so DRDO DRDO advanced technological air aerodynamic amplifier, air atomic, DRDO aerodynamic amplifier. I can assume, but I not want to. 1 2 34. Let's submit this test, guys. Cancel this from here. 64.67, 82 attempted, 69 correct, and 13 wrong. Math, okay. In awareness there are 8 questions wrong, in intelligence 2 wrong, and in math 3 wrong. And if I talk about skip, then here 12 question, here 1 question, here 5 question. Or there are some question in which I have to use formula, but I have this time forget the formula, that's why I skip those questions. And one question of intelligence is, I'm pretty sure that the table, okay, that this is the question which I have skipped in intelligence. And in awareness, 12 questions are those which are which belongs from current affair and dynasty, ancient dynasty. Okay, so and one question is, I think I have assumed that question, Ramsar site, maximum number of Ramsar site. So these are my attempts and my wrong questions. Need to improve up to 85 to 90 plus. Okay, because our target must be 100, not anything else in any exam. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know what is the score you have performed in this test and level of this test. Let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind.